This next video is concerning hot water heaters. Let me tell you what happened to us. We were at a campsite. We just got there, we set up, and the wind was blowing pretty hard, probably between 30, sometimes gusting to 40 miles an hour. I set everything up, hooked up the water and everything, and I then went in, turned the propane on. I wanted to heat the water up real quick. So I turned the propane on and fired up the hot water heater. And it was burning, going good. And then all of a sudden, a big gust of wind hit the side of the RV and bam, it just went off. The flame went out and it just shut down. So I thought, well, maybe I'll try the electric. So I switched it over to electric. Nothing happened. It wouldn't work. Come to find out, there's a safety thermal fuse in that hot water heater that if the flame goes out, if you're on propane, it shuts off the gas to the hot water heater as a safety feature to keep from, of course, having gas, raw gas. But it also shuts the entire hot water heater down. So this video, I'm gonna show you what I found out, and I'm gonna also show you how to fix it if this happens to you. And also, I'm gonna link in the description where to buy a small supply of these fuses to have on hand. There's a very easy install. So let's take a look at how to fix this issue. Here you see the fuse, what it looks like. As you can tell, it's just a plug and play fuse. It attaches to the port where it says T-stat, which is thermostat, and it's really, you just kind of can tell how it goes around the different wires, and it just plugs in. That's easy. So at the thermostat area is where you would plug it in. Now I'm going to, the next slide is showing where to order these from Amazon. I'm going to link it into the actual description. So if you want to order them, you can get them from Amazon. Like and subscribe for more of these videos. Everybody have a great day.